Dear viewers, welcome to MM Mustafa from 100 Pixels. The text or numbers are not visible on the Zener diode. In this situation, how do you know what is the voltage value of Zener diode? No problem, just watch the 1-minute video and make the Zener diode tester. At first, wrap a 19 gauge wire around the probe of your avometer. Then place a DC socket on the Vero board. Now place two coils. Finally connect a 1.5K resistor. Follow the circuit diagram at the end of the video. Apply a 20 volt power supply to the DC socket to measure a maximum 18 volt Zener diode. Now connect the cathode terminal of the Zener diode to the red wire and the anode to the black wire. Looking at the meter, it is a 9.3 volt Zener diode. Now one more. It's a 7.5 volt Zener diode. And this is a 2.4 volt Zener diode.